Try one of these.
I can't have it.
This is one.
I can't have it.
It's good.
I can't have it.
Best cookies money can buy. Try it.
What is it?
It's like, it's bittersweet.
That's good. What is going on? What is happening? If this is your first time seeing my face, my name is Camille. Thank you for tapping in with me. If you have been in before, welcome back. Today is a unboxing of 3 fragrances that I just purchased from Alexandria Fragrances. I think one is a Pacific Chill clone, a Mind Games clone, and something by Killian, maybe. This is the box that it comes in. I don't recall getting this box for my last fragrance. I think they just sent it and wrapped it up, but take it out. Got the bottle here. This is Barricade, which is the Mind Games clone. I don't know what it's cloning. Yeah, I think it's Blockade from Mind Games. I don't even have a sample of it. I have never smelled it. Let's get a first spray. Oh, it's a little citrusy type situation. It's kind of puts you in the mind of Louis Vuitton's Lemon Sight. This is good though. Yeah, I like this. Let me see if it honestly reminds me of Louis Vuitton's Lemon Sight right now. I could be pronouncing that wrong. Let me see if I can get a better sniff from it from a strip. Just want to do one spray. It smells like pink and red jelly beans. That's what I think of when I think of this right now. When I smell this, pink and red jelly beans. It's blue, it's fresh, it's citrusy. It smells very familiar. It doesn't smell like Lemon Sight by Louis Vuitton. It just reminds me of it. Yeah, let's check the notes real quick. It smells like a little bit of an exotic fruit. It's a fruity, fresh citrus situation, and it's not bad. It's really good. It's like wood, complex spices, mango, spicy pepper, tomato leaf, leather, oud, and amber. I get no leather. I get no oud. A little bit of amber. But that mango is popping. This is really good. I'm excited for this one. Let's move to the next one. So next, same box presentation. We have Pacific Coast, which is the Louis Vuitton Pacific Chill clone. So I actually have a couple of Pacific Chill clones, so I may do a clone war with those. But and these are 30 ml bottles. This is my second time ordering from Alexandria Fragrances. The first time I ordered, my 30 ml look like this. So this is the first time I've ordered from Alexandria. And the bottles came like this. I thought the bigger bottles, like the 100 mls, would look like this. But fun fact about Pacific Chill, I recently went to the Louis Vuitton store and I smelled it. I wasn't a fan. It didn't smell bad. I just didn't like it. I wasn't the biggest fan, but let's see what we get with this. I don't know. I don't remember if this smelled just like this, but I don't know if it's just the Barricade that's still in my nose. Unless this just may have some mango in it. But this gives me mango citrus. This kind of gives me the same vibe as Barricade. Like I said, Barricade reminds me of Lemon Sight. Lemon City, however you pronounce it. Which is the Louis Vuitton fragrance. Which is one of my favorite fragrances. Let me get this from a strip. See what I get. I might have to put this on hand because I didn't spray it on me when I went into the Louis Vuitton store. This one, so Pacific Chill is aquatic. It's blue. It kind of smells like an orange peel. It's not moving me. I mean, it's good. It's not the best for me from the Louis Vuitton collection. So I may actually have to give this a wear and test it out. I wonder how it'll change on skin. But this is good. Now, the thing I like about Alexandria fragrances, they last all day. They are extrait de parfum concentrations. I feel like I'm on a beach eating an orange. That's what this reminds me of. This is good. This is good. Let's see what they have in this. So citrusy notes, blackcurrant, coriander seeds, Brett, basil, peppermint, and orange. I think that's the orange peel I'm getting. Clones of Pacific Chill are like sold out, like the ones I wanted to try. Maybe I have to wear it, but like just first sniff, first smell, it's nothing to go crazy over. Like I said, when I was in the Louis Vuitton store, I wasn't like, let me get it. Let me spend $300. No, it didn't drive me crazy, but Alexandria Pacific Chill. On to the next one. All right, so the last fragrance that we have is, I don't even know. I think I was just buying stuff when I ordered this, but this is called Wasted Moment on the Rock. I think this may be a by Kilian fragrance. Okay, this is Apple Brandy on the Rocks by Kilian. Wasted Moment on the Rocks. When I tell you I just be buying stuff, I just be buying stuff. Oh, oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh baby. It's sweet apple caramel pie, fresh out the oven. That's what this reminds me of real quick. Instantly. This is beautiful. Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Let's look at the notes. Let me get it on strip. Make sure I'm not tripping. Damn, I keep getting my freaking finger. Ooh, that is so good in the air. Yeah. It's even better on strip. I might have to put this on skin. I ain't gonna hold you. Yeah, it's like an apple cinnamon fresh baked pie. A cold apple cinnamon pie. And you just bit it. One of those McDonald's apple pies. I think they have apple pie. You put it in the refrigerator and you just pull it out the refrigerator and you bite it. You don't heat it up, warm it up, nothing like that. That's what this smells like. On the Rocks might be a liqueur note. I don't know. I like this. I like this over the other two. I'm not gonna hold you. Let's check the notes real quick. Crisp green apple. I was thinking of a Granny Smith. Is Granny Smith red? Whatever the red apple is. Washington. I was thinking of a Washington apple. I don't get crisp green. I get red. Washington. Citrus zest. Aged brandy, peppery spices, oak, sandalwood, smoked vanilla. That vanilla and that apple go hard. Musk. I am pleasantly surprised with this one. Oh, this is getting warm, baby. I like this. A matter of fact, I'm gonna put it on skin. Just to see. Let's let that wind down. That is really good. I get this. Everything I got on the strip, I get on theirs. That is really good. I cannot wait to put that on. So one thing I like about Alexandria, they send you samples. So they sent me I don't know what Sunday morning is, but they sent me a sample of Sunday morning. And then they sent me a sample of Vanilla Abuse, which I'm going to say sounds like vanilla sex. So we got Sunday morning and vanilla sex, or vanilla abuse, I'm sorry. Vanilla sex is a Tom Ford clone, and let's look up and see what Sunday morning is real quick. Sunday morning is MFK, Macy's Francis Kirkjohn, Petit Matin. I don't know what the fuck that is. Let me spray it, see how this smells. I'm not impressed. I don't know. I love a good sample. That's one thing I do love about Alexandria fragrances. They do send you samples, and because mind you, these are 2 different packages, so I ordered 2 one day, and then what I was looking for came another day. Was back in stock the other day, so I would have 2 different packages from Alexandria Fragrances. All right, that will do it. I appreciate you all for tapping in with me. What I'm gonna do is I got a lot more fragrances coming in. I got some other hauls coming up. I'm looking at the boxes that I have right here. So I'm gonna throw these in my weekly rotation, give them a wear. I might do a clone war on the Pacific Chill that I have, because like I said, I have different renditions of it. I don't have the actual, I have a sample of the real thing, but I have like clones. I think I have 2 or 3 clones. Alexandria is it reminds me of Dua, like they never fail. As far as like the performance, the longevity, the sillage, I enjoy Alexandria fragrances. It kind of makes me wish I would have never got this big collection back here. I just kind of wish I would have slowly bought from Alexandria, because this is a lot. This is too much. I will catch you on the next one.